Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel, The Simple Happy Life. I'm Sabrina.
I'm Cameron.
I'm Aiden.
And in today's video, we're going to be doing what, guys?
Decorating the schoolroom for Halloween.
Decorating for Halloween. Are you excited, Aiden?
Yes.
Yes, I'm excited too, because while we might not be able to do some of the other things we usually do around this time of year, we can still decorate and have fun doing that. So that's what we're going to do today. If you guys want to see what we do and how we decorate the schoolroom, then keep watching. Right?
Yup.
Why are you making that face? Let's start. This video is in collaboration with Rachel at Good Behavior Beginnings, Marla Juarez, and Janet Reyes. I'll link their channels below. Okay, so these are some things that we've pulled out from the garage, some baskets that I pulled up from downstairs. So you don't have to go buy everything new every time you decorate for a new holiday, but it is nice to pull in some fun new pieces, right? Can you guys start pulling stuff out from under the table? There's a bag under there. And let's see what's in there.
Is this candy? No.
No candy, but what is that?
Eyeballs.
Eyeballs.
So creepy.
That is kind of creepy.
I just was being sarcastic.
Oh, you were being sarcastic, not really that creepy?
No.
No?
I like them though.
Yeah.
What?
This spider web you can put on the table. And what do you guys think we should do with this? What should we make out of that?
What is this?
What is it? It's called moss. I picked this up from Micheals, but what do you guys think we should do with it?
We should throw it all over the schoolroom.
Oh no, I don't know. We should throw it all over the schoolroom.
I know. I was gonna say.
What do you think, Cam? What do you think we should do with it?
Yes.
We can make nests for what?
The crow.
These crows. Aren't they so like creepy and cute? Can you guys even see them? They're so cute. But yes, also creepy. Okay, what else is in the bag? Let's keep going. Is that it? Is that everything out of the bag?
Yeah.
Let's see.
No.
Open it up. Open it up.
That's not something that I keep it. Don't keep it. Cupcake.
Oh yes. So we're gonna do some fun things. We are going to make cupcakes. We are going to make some other fun snacks for Halloween, and just my brother's birthday is at the end of the month, so we're gonna have a costume party. Not a big one, just him and his wife, parents, and us. So that'll be it. But we're gonna have a good time with it. So right now they're going to have fun going through our Halloween bucket because they haven't pulled out things in a while. So I think I'm going to, what you're looking for.
Cool.
I think I'm going to take some time and peek through this with them, put the camera down and enjoy this. And I will show you guys what we end up doing.
And look where I hang up together.
That is a cute little spot. Okay, guys, I'm going to, like I said, put the camera down and really enjoy this time. And then I'll show you guys what we did.
Mom, remember my mask?
I do remember that mask. Oh my goodness, guys. This was so fun. It's really hard to see in the camera, actually, but I think it turned out really fun. It turned out great. We have like this murder, I think you call them, of crows over here above our shelves, and it's like they've made nests in our unit study boxes, so the boys thought that was cool. I probably will not light the candles up here because it might be flame on with the moss, but this was a lot of fun. I'm pretty sure I went overboard with it, but these are some birdhouses the boys painted years ago, and we pretty much use them every year. They love them. We added some of the eyeballs and some black branches coming out of the unit study boxes. And these boxes are just cardboard boxes from the Dollar Tree. So these are some baskets that I had downstairs that I brought up. And so, yes, I'm having so much fun looking at these and showing you these. Okay, I'm moving on. Just so many memories of Cameron's painting this little house, this little black pumpkin. And so we continued it over here. I just flipped the basket upside down over here. We added some crows and another house they painted, more moss, and a skeleton head. I want to say this one came from the Dollar Tree a couple of years ago. So we try to reuse the same things. And then Aiden, I thought this was cute. He added this hand above our map. I was going to move our map, but we're going into a land unit study and we're going to be looking at the states on the eastern part of the United States. So I felt like we needed to have our map out. We have some gravestones here in the window. And guys, let me tell you, this wasn't planned, but I found this when we were organizing the garage. This is just like, it goes under your plants. So, or rocks. Well, we used it in our backyard. We laid some rocks down and we didn't want weeds and things growing through the rocks. So we laid down this like mesh, kind of like a thick mesh tarp thing. I don't know. But anyway, I didn't want to cut it because we might use it for, its intended purpose more. So I just decided to let it go all the way around the window and did it the best that I could. So, I could, preserve it and not cut it up. Also, I kept our curtains and can you see that shade up here? Because I don't want to have more work of having to take all that down and then put it back up. So this was just a nice, fun way, to bring in some, Halloween and some added fun. I don't normally do this much, but we also do so many other activities around Halloween and the fall that we're not doing right now. So this was just a fun thing to do for all of us. We've got feathers hanging from our light fixture, which is fun. And then on the table right here, this probably, will get moved around, I'm sure, but, this is just like a spider web, like little tablecloth. And it's just got a few, extra little pieces that we had and some candles that I think the boys will have fun. I'll probably light and melt the bottom of these so they stand straight up. But this was cute. This was from At Home. And I think the candles were $3 for all four. And the candle holder was like $3. So that was really cute. So the guys normally sit like right here and here. So we'll have space to probably keep it for a bit and then we'll move it. But it'll be easy to move off and put back on. So I'm really excited about this. I think the guys are going to love it. Cameron added these little ghosts over here. These are from the Dollar Tree. We've had them for a little bit. And he asked if we could string these skulls above our board. So one of the last things we did was add this little thing to our shelves. And it makes all the noise in the world until I come over to it. And it's probably going to do something now. I'll try to touch it. Yep, there it is. Oh my goodness, this is so annoying. Yes, and it keeps doing it. Hopefully it won't keep doing it right now. But this was a lot of fun, guys. I hope you've enjoyed seeing our little tour. I do want to share with you quickly some activities that we will also be doing. We love watching movies and Halloween movies and just the little scary movies like Goosebumps and shows like that. And so this is a little popcorn holder from Micheals. We've got some cute little napkins with black cats on them. And we can make fun little drinks and drink out of those paper straws. We're going to make fun treats. So I just got these little cupcake holders. I think these are from Walmart these are either from Walmart or Micheals. I think Walmart. And so I thought that was really cute. We've got these little, confetti to go with these plates. My brother's birthday is at the end of the month and we've always had Halloween parties and different things like that growing up. And so him and his wife, my parents, are going to come over and we're just going to have a fun little celebration, in the backyard if weather permits. And then, I'm gonna come right back to these. I found this haunted village cookie kit that the boys thought was so fun. So this is actually from Walmart. And so we'll be making these. And I have some black cardstock. I want to pull out our pastels and do some just fun pastel drawings. We only use them a little bit, but the boys want to play with some more. And I thought, Halloween would be a perfect time just, to see I know they want to draw some little fun and creepy things. So they'll just pop off this page. And then since we have crows decorating our schoolroom, I thought, well, why not learn a little bit about crows? Because I know nothing about crows. So all of you mamas that are like, that is not how crows would live. I don't know. I just thought it looked cool. I have no idea how crows actually set up their nests. I don't. But I'm going to learn about them because that's what we're going to do. Just a super mini subunit on crows. And so we really like this series. We use it in our weather unit. I think it's called Wild Science. And so this one is crows, genius birds. And then I also picked up this one, Crows, Strange and Wonderful. And so looking forward to this. It's really pretty illustrations. So that is what we're going to be doing this month. I'll let you peek in this one. This is a graphic novel. And my guys love graphic novels. But you learn a lot. You learn a lot in these. So anyway, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Comment below and let me know, are you guys doing things for Halloween? What are you doing different this year to make it special if you can't do, or since we really can't do what we might normally do as far as having big parties and going trick-or-treating. So yeah, drop in the comments and let me know. And don't forget to check out the other Mama's videos and get some inspiration if you want to decorate for Halloween if you haven't already, and just get some fun ideas. So I will be back with another video soon. I hope you guys are well. Bye.